Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
German for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Picture this. You arrive in Germany, maybe Berlin, Munich, or a quiet little town. You hear the language all around you. Fast, precise, unfamiliar. Someone looks at you, smiles, and speaks German. And in that moment, you wish you had just a few words, just enough to respond, to connect, to belong. Well, in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly that. Real German phrases. Simple, practical, and powerful. Let's begin. First, greetings. Because first impressions matter. Start with hello. Hello. Simple, universal. Now, a bit more formal. Guten Tag. Good day. Guten Tag. In the morning, Guten Morgen. Good morning. And in the evening, Guten Abend. Good evening. Notice the pattern. Guten, time of day. Easy to remember. Sechst, gratitude. In German, Danke, thank you. But if you want to sound more polite, Dankeschön, thank you very much. Dankeschön. And if someone thanks you, you can reply, Bitte, you're welcome. Short, elegant, essential. Now, let's keep things simple. Yes is ja, and no is nein. Ja, nein. Clear, confident. Practice them slowly. Now imagine you need help. You want to be respectful. Start with Entschuldigung. Excuse me / sorry. Entschuldigung. It might feel long, but it's incredibly useful. Then, bitte, please. Yes, same word as you're welcome. Context changes the meaning. Now, let's introduce yourself. Say, Ich heiße, my name is, Ich heiße. Or, Ich bin, I am. Ich bin. And to say nice to meet you, freut mich. Nice to meet you. Freut mich. Simple, friendly, natural. Now let's ask questions. Start with Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak English? Sprechen Sie Englisch? If you're unsure about something, Was ist das? What is this? Was ist das? And if you didn't understand, Wie bitte? Pardon? Wie bitte? Imagine you're at a cafe. You see something you like. Point and say, Das bitte? This, please. Das bitte. Or, Ein Kaffee bitte. One coffee, please. And when you're done, Die Rechnung bitte. The bill, please. Now, closing conversations. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. More casual. Tschüss. Bye. Or Bis bald. See you soon. And just like that, you now have real German phrases. Not just words, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about perfection. It's about courage. So next time, when someone speaks to you in German, don't hesitate. Smile and say, Hello. And your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.